Hi friends, this is Hema from Clean and Organize. In this video, we are going to see how to make Brinjal Briyani. This recipe was given to me by my sister. So now, let's get into the video. Take a pan or a cooker and add some ghee. Once it gets melted, add the washed and drained basmati rice and saute it for a few minutes. Let it fry for some time. I have added 2 cups of basmati rice. You can also use normal rice. Now you can see that the rice has been fried a little. Now remove it and set it aside. In the same pan, add some oil. Once oil gets heated, add some cloves, cardamom, cinnamon sticks, bay leaves and 8 to 10 peppercorns and saute it for a few seconds. Now add some thinly sliced onion and saute it for 5 to 10 minutes or until the onion turns golden brown. Once the onion turns golden brown, add some green chilies and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute it until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste leaves. Add some salt and saute it for a few seconds. Now let's add the masala. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 to 2 teaspoon of red chili powder. I have added Kashmiri red chili powder. You can also use normal red chili powder. And saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the thinly sliced tomatoes and saute it until the tomato gets cooked well and is mushy. Now you can see that the tomato has been cooked well and is mushy. Now let's add some brinjal. I have cut 4 brinjals and soaked it in water. This avoids discoloration of brinjal. So now add the brinjal and mix it well. Let the masala coat the brinjal. Now add a handful of mint leaves and saute it for a few seconds. You can also add some coriander leaves. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons of curd and saute it for a few minutes. Now add the basmati rice and mix it well. Then we will add some water. I have taken 2 cups of basmati rice, so I am adding 2 cups of water. Mix it well and check for salt. If the salt is less, add the required salt and mix it well. Now close the cooker and leave it for 1 to 2 whistles. And now our Brinjal Briyani is ready. I hope you like this recipe. Do try it at your home and give me the feedback. If you like this video, hit the like button. And if you want to watch more interesting and different videos, don't forget to subscribe to Clean and Organized channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.